Let us analyze today the omnipotent role of human brain. The living state of a human body consists of the five basic elements called Panch Tattvas and the five basic streams of vital force called Panch Prana. The Panch Tattvas constitute the physical body and the Panch Pran create the mental body. The flow of electricity in a circuit is generated by the connection of the two complementary positive and negative types of currents. The life cycle of a human being also continues to revolve with the help of the two wheels of the physical and mental bodies. The collective contribution of these components is unparalleled in nature. The known as well as the undeciphered structural and functional features of the human body are enormous. Deeper analysis of these brings out more and more amazing results and shows newer layers of mysteries in this splendid action of the Almighty. The structural complexity, functional adaptability, and potentials of different sense organs give a glimpse of the magnificent system that could be constructed in the material part of nature. The structure and function of the cells, tissues, neurons, biochemical transport through cell membranes, genetic regulation, secretion of hormones, etc. all appear like the unlimited activities of a mysterious wonderland. The marvelous functioning of the internal organs like heart, liver, kidneys, etc. give an impression as if the essence of all the knowledge and power existing in nature has been perfectly used by an absolutely efficient engineer in the construction of the human body. In normal course, the human body performs only the routine tasks which are essential for its survival. However, if given a chance with appropriate training and control, this natural instrument could be used to conduct supernatural activities. The hilarious performances of great personalities in different fields of history prove that this small body of flesh and bone contains tremendous power. This power generally remains dormant and is therefore not manifested in most people. If awakened, this latent power grows and expands like a huge tree from a tiny seed. Its focused development cultivates supernatural capabilities in the targeted components of the body. The automatic regulation and use of the instrument made up of the Panch Tattva becomes possible by the consciousness generated from the Pran. The Chetana, consciousness of a human being, is the driver of the vehicle of his body. The splendid structure of the body is of no use if there is no Pran in it. Maintenance of healthy survival of the body and efficient use of its potential depend on the level of one's Chetana or consciousness. Even a slightest imbalance in the Chetana or disharmony between the mind and the body might cause irreparable loss in terms of physical and mental health. Although the body of a lethargic, foolish, or insane person is normal and healthy, his waned chetna may disturb his life drastically, leading to untoward consequences. The power of Chetna is present in every organ, every cell of the body. However, the center of its functional manifestation resides in the core of the brain. Although the chemical constituent and the biochemistry of the molecular interactions in the brain are comparable with those in the other organs, the flow of the bioelectricity of prana in the neuronal network inside it makes it superior to all other components of the body. The spontaneous activities inside this regulator of human body are so complex and large in number that it can be called a Pandora's box full of mysteries. The human brain is a magical creation of the omniscient. The varieties of tasks simultaneously performed by this system in short time intervals of millisecond to millisecond indicate the presence of the supernatural power of the Almighty in the worldly creation. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.